Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
I made $42,000 in 30 days with an Amazon affiliate unboxing video. Hello everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the exact steps I took to make an incredible $42,000 in just 30 days through a single unboxing video on YouTube, leveraging Amazon's affiliate program. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, especially with tech gadgets, read on. Step 1. Choosing the right products. First, I selected a range of popular tech gadgets that were trending. My box included a high-end laptop, the latest smartphone, a pair of noise-canceling headphones, and a smartwatch. I chose products I was genuinely excited about and knew my audience would love. Step 2. Signing up for Amazon's affiliate program. I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. It was a straightforward process, and once approved, I got unique affiliate links for each product I planned to feature in my video. Step 3. Planning the unboxing video. I spent time scripting the unboxing video. My focus was to be authentic and provide real value. I plan to demonstrate each product, highlight its features, and share personal insights. I made sure to mention that viewers could find the links to each product in the video description. Step 4. Filming and editing. With my home studio set up, I filmed the unboxing, ensuring high video and audio quality. During editing, I added close-up shots of the products and annotations highlighting key features. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. I uploaded the video to YouTube, ensuring I used catchy titles, effective tags, and a compelling thumbnail. I inserted the Amazon affiliate links in the description and pinned a comment with the links too. Step 6. Promoting the video. I promoted the video across my social media platforms. I also utilized my email list to alert subscribers about the new unboxing video. The results. Views. The video hit 200,000 views in the first 30 days. Click-through rate, center. With compelling content, I achieved a center of 5% on my affiliate links. Conversion rate. Approximately 2% of the clicks resulted in purchases. The numbers. Total clicks. 200,000 views x 5% center equals 10,000 clicks. Total purchases. 10,000 clicks x 2% conversion equals 202 sales. Average earnings per sale. Average commission of $210 per sale. So my total earnings were 200 sales x $210 equals $42,420. That's right, $42,000 in 30 days. What made it work? 1. Selecting trending products. I chose gadgets that were in demand, which spiked viewer interest. 2. Quality content. The high-quality video and genuine enthusiasm made the content relatable. 3. SEO optimization. Effective use of keywords and tags helped in reaching a wider audience. 4. Leveraging social media and email lists. These platforms were crucial in driving traffic to the video. Final thoughts. This experience was a game changer for me. It reinforced the power of combining quality content with smart marketing strategies in affiliate marketing. Remember, authenticity and providing value to your audience are key. I hope my journey inspires you to start yours. Happy unboxing and good luck! For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.